Hello everyone, I'm Cynthia Akiotu, a cybersecurity architect. You can call me Cyber Hero Coach Cynthia. Welcome to this channel, Cynthia the Data Techie, where I'll be sharing insights on cloud security, identity security, data security, and AI-powered governance. Join me in this channel where I'll be sharing these insights in bite sizes, making it informational and easy for everyone to understand. Even if you are a beginner, a professional, or you're just inquisitive or curious about cybersecurity, this is the right channel for you. I encourage you to subscribe. Click on the notification bell where you'll be getting information. Join me in this channel where we grow, learn, and take over cybersecurity. Bye.